स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का 9th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस का। ठीक है, पहले हम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स देखते हैं, उसके बाद में हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। देखिए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। रोड, वाटर एंड पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट्स आर कॉल्ड डैश फैसिलिटी, पब्लिक फैसिलिटी डैश इंश्योर दैट पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज आर मेड अवेलेबल टू एवरीवन, यानी कि गवर्नमेंट। अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011 सेंसस द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज मोर देन 121 crores. According to 2001 census, only 44% villagers getting electricity. In Bolivia states water supply was handed over to private company. Short question answer देखेंगे अभी। Write the basic needs of human beings. Food, water, shelters, health, sanitation, education are the basic needs which are necessary for survival. Next देखिए, explain the terms company. A company is a form of business set up by peoples or by the governments. Explain the significance of water. Water is essential for life and for good health. Which rights are also included in the right to life? Right to water and right to livelihood. What is public facility? Public facilities are those facilities which are essential for the survival of human beings. Mention 4 public facilities which are provided by the government: water, electricity, transport, health care. Write one characteristic of public facilities. Public facilities are for all peoples. Write the place where public facilities are generally not available. Public facilities are generally not available in slum areas. ठीक है। In which state water supply was handed over to private company? In Bolivia, water supply was handed over to private company. What is the major roles of the governments regarding public facilities? One of the major roles of the government is to ensure adequate public facilities for everyone. Next देखिए, do you think public facilities are available to everyone equally? Public facilities are not available to everyone equally. In India, which localities are not provided public facility adequately? In India, poor localities and slum areas are under-serviced. देखिए, what are public facilities? Why should the governments be responsible for providing public services? Public facilities are those facilities which are very essential for the survival and development of human beings. Public facilities relates to our basic needs. Water, food, shelter, education, health, etc. are examples of public facilities. It is the sole responsibility of the governments to provide public facilities to every person adequately. If public facilities are handed over to private companies, then these facilities would not be distributed equally. Moreover, these facilities would become very costly and unaffordable for many. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next question देखिए, is there a general shortage of water for everyone in Chennai? Can you think of 2 reasons why different peoples get varying amount of water? In Chennai, there is a shortage of water, but this shortage of water is not for everyone. In Chennai, different peoples get varying amounts of water due to the following reasons. All peoples are not treated equal. Where senior government officers are living, that is Ananagar, there is no shortage of water. Officers are getting tap water for major parts of the day. Next one, in poor areas and developed areas, there is also no shortage of water. In poor colonies and slum areas, there is very big shortage of water. Even water tankers is not easily available. People have to wait long for hours. Move to the next question. Why does water flow is a trickle in summer in most places of India? Explain. Water shortage is not only in Chennai but in other parts of India also. There is big shortage of water in Hyderabad, Simla, Mandi, Haryana, Ambala, etc. In summer, the flow of water becomes a trickle in many parts of India. In summer, consumptions of water increase to a great extent, whereas the water go much deeper. Moreover, there is shortage of electricity in majority of states of India. Many tube wells fail in summer. Long question देखिए, mention some important public facilities. Some important public facilities are as following. Water is most important for life. Therefore, governments try their best to ensure this facility to their people. Next one, food is another most important public facility. No one can live without food. Third one, house is another public facilities. Fourth one, education is also called public facility. Therefore, government should ensure education for all. Next one, roads and transport are also considered public facilities. Sixth one, health facilities are also called public facility. Why do you think there are so few cases of private water supply in the world? There are very few cases of private water supply in the world. Following reasons are as responsible for the same. First one, water is essential for life and for good health. Second one of the most important functions of the government is to ensure public facilities. Supply of water is also the responsibility of government. Next one, third, the government also gets some money for providing water, but government charges are very less in comparison to private water supply. Do you think water in Chennai is available and affordable by all? Discuss. In Chennai, there is a big problem of water and it is neither available nor affordable by all. In posh area like Anna Nagar, there is no shortage of water, but in a majority of the areas, there is a shortage of water and people are facing this problem. In poor area, municipal waters comes once in 2 days. Many people purchase water from tankers and they spend rupees 500 to 600 per month. In certain areas, drinking water supply is once in 4 days. In Manibakkam areas, people buy Bisleris, jerry cans, but poor people can't afford Bisleris water. In summer seasons, the flow of water becomes a trickle. People have to wait long hours for water tankers. How is the sale of water by farmers to water dealers in Chennai affecting the local peoples? Do you think local peoples can object to such exploitation of groundwater? Can the government do anything in this regard? In Chennai, private companies are taking water from farmers from their land. This has affected not only the agriculture, but this has also created shortage of drinking water for the villagers. Moreover, water level in these areas have gone very down. Local peoples have a right to make protest against exploitation of groundwater. To protect public interest, the governments can make rules and regulations to stop the exploitation of groundwater. Move to the next question. Why are most of the private hospitals and private schools located in major cities and not in the towns or rural areas? In modern welfare states like India, it is responsibility of the governments to provide education to the peoples and to protect the health of the peoples. Besides the government, the private companies are also providing public facilities, especially in big cities. Big private hospitals and big private schools are opened in major cities and not in the rural areas. For example, Fortis hospitals, Apollo hospitals, Batra hospitals, etc. Delhi public schools, DAV public schools, etc. are located in major cities. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, etc. Private hospitals and private schools are located in big cities, because people in big cities can afford to pay their fees, etc. Private hospitals and schools are very costly and rural peoples cannot afford their fees, expenditure, etc. Move to the next question. Do you think that the distribution of public facilities in our country is adequate and fair? Give an example of your own to explain. One of the most important functions of the government is to ensure that public facilities are made available to everyone. But in our country, the distribution of public facilities is neither adequate nor fair. For example, in Haryana, there is a shortage of electricity. Almost 8 hours cut is in all the cities of Haryana, but in VIP's area of each city, there is no such cut. Similar is the case of water. The burdens of shortage in water supply falls mostly in the poor. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.